You're 19. A folding table, a handful of candles, a printed sign that promises protection from curses. The room smells like incense, old fabric, melted wax. Your first customer pays £20. You think the math is simple: more clients, more rituals, more money. Then jump ahead. You're 50. People travel across countries to see you. Private appointments cost hundreds, sometimes thousands of pounds. Your name spreads through whispers instead of advertisements. The real business was never the ritual. It was reputation, fear, hope, and repeat customers. There is no recognized career ladder, no government license, no official salary table, no Bureau of Labor Statistics occupation called Black Magic Practitioner. That means there is no guaranteed income, no pension, no employer, no safety net. Every pound depends on whether another stranger believes you can solve a problem nobody else could. That's the first trap. You aren't selling certainty, you're selling possibility. Age 18 to 22. Your office is a market stall, a spare bedroom, a social media page. You buy tarot cards, candles, crystals, printed flyers, a card table. Most of the money disappears before you earn it back. Hours are spent answering messages that never become appointments. Some clients expect impossible results. Others demand refunds when nothing changes. The hidden math isn't about rituals. It's customer acquisition, trust, reputation. Without those, the business never reaches level 2. Age 23 to 30. You stop waiting for walk-ins. Now, referrals become your currency. One satisfied client brings 3 more. One angry client can erase a year's worth of trust. You rent a dedicated room, better lighting, better furniture, better photographs for social media. The costs keep climbing: advertising, website hosting, travel, hours spent answering calls that never turn into appointments. The hidden math changes. You're no longer performing rituals, you're managing reputation. One accusation of fraud, one viral post, the phone stops ringing. Age 30 to 38. Now you have a niche: love spells, curse removals, protection rituals, business blessings. Every specialist claims a secret. Every competitor claims stronger results. The market becomes crowded, so the prices rise. The promises grow bigger. This is where most practitioners discover the real economy. People rarely pay for certainty. They pay for hope. The structural trap is expectation. If clients believe every problem should disappear overnight, disappointment becomes bad publicity, and bad publicity spreads faster than any recommendation. Age 38 to 48. Now your clients arrive through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, television interviews. The waiting room is full, not because people understand your methods, because they recognize your name. Your income multiplies. So does scrutiny. Journalists ask questions. Skeptics investigate. Former clients tell different stories. At this level, your greatest asset isn't ritual, it's public perception. Lose that, and everything built over 20 years can disappear in a weekend. Age 48 to 60. Appointments become only one income stream. Books, online courses, private memberships, live stream donations, merchandise, consultations over video calls. The business now works even while you sleep. Employees answer messages. Assistants schedule bookings. Marketing replaces mystery. The hidden math is scalability. The ritual is no longer the product. Attention is. Age 60 plus. Some leave quietly. Some become cultural icons. Others become cautionary tales. The final equation was never about supernatural power. It was belief, trust, marketing, psychology, and an audience searching for certainty during uncertain moments. There is no guaranteed promotion, no retirement package, no official career ladder, only reputation. Once that's gone, every level above disappears with it.